Welcome to Q&A Wire.
In this problem, a warm can of soda is placed in a cold refrigerator, right? So we need to sketch the graph of the temperature of soda as a function of time, and it is asked secondly that is the initial rate of change of temperature greater or less than the rate of change after an hour. Right. So we need to sketch the graph first. Then we need to. So let us now first discuss simply that if soda has the room temperature, right? Or maybe it might be. We are assuming that temperature is constant for the refrigerator first, right? So the temperature of the refrigerator is constant. But if we simply place any soda in the refrigerator, then obviously the initial rate of change of temperature will be greater than the rate of change after an hour. Why? Because when it is placed after when it is placed in a refrigerator, the temperature difference was more, right? So the rate will be more, rate of change of temperature will be more, right? So, but after an hour, if it gets somewhat colder, then the temperature difference will be less, right? So, initial rate of change of temperature should be greater than rate of change after an hour. So now let us write all the things now. So this is the graph we do, like we will just discuss all the things. So when soda is placed in a fridge, the temperature starts to change quickly as the temperature of the refrigerator is very low as compared to soda, right? So as soon as the temperature of the soda decreases, the temperature difference between soda and refrigerator also decreases. Is it? Yes. So now we will just sketch the graph of temperature of soda as the function of time. So this is the graph, right? So this is our graph. And now secondly, it is asked for the initial rate of change of temperature, right? So we are just giving the reasons that why is it so. So as the difference of the temperature of soda and refrigerator also decreases, the rate of change of temperature also decreases for the soda, right? Thus the rate of change of temperature of soda after an hour is less than the rate of change of temperature of soda before that hour, right? So that is why the initial rate of change of temperature is greater than the rate of change after an hour. So this is how we solve this problem. I hope you understood the concept. And here as the time passes, the temperature decreases, right? So we are assuming like here somewhat the temperature was 72 and now it decreases to 38, right? So we are assuming it, right? So this is in Fahrenheit. We are just supposed you can write any other digits, but here we do in this way. So this rate decreases like exponentially, right? So this is how we solve this problem. I hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching.